Hi, it's Mrs. Carl with Sight and Sound Phonics, and I'm here to talk more about Y as a vowel. All right, Y as a vowel. Remember, Y, the letter Y can be a consonant. All right, when it says y in the beginning of a word, if it says y, like in yellow and yes and you, otherwise vowel can be a Y. All right, and usually that's in the word, or lots of times it's at the end of the word, and it can say I as a vowel, and it can say E as a vowel. All right, we're going to do some more practice with words that say I as a vowel. So the Y is going to say I, but it's going to be a Y. All right, now we've practiced these words, but Mrs. Carl's favorite word, oh, you know how many times I will say it, is practice, practice, practice. It does not hurt you to write something over and over again a couple times. It just makes it so it goes in here better, all right? It sticks better in your head and in your brain. Right? That's what I find. I have to do things sometimes over a couple times to help me so that I remember it better. And that's what today is all about, all right? The words we're going to write today, it'll go pretty fast because you're pretty good at this, all right, are going to be the letter Y, but they're going to say I at the end of the word, all right? As I said, you're going to be an expert at this one, all right? The first word, now, get your paper, get your pencil. If you don't want to print it out off the computer like this with the pictures on it, you don't have to. Just have paper and pencil. But one thing you do have to do, Mrs. Carl's making you do this, get paper and get pencil. Because I want you to write these with me. It's the only way that you're going to always remember it. If you write it, if you sound it out, if you write it, that you're going to learn how to read it, you're going to learn how to spell it. Believe me, it's better for you. So you've got to help me. Just don't listen to Mrs. Carl. You do it with me. That's why I'm doing it. I'm not doing it just because of Mrs. Carl. I'm doing it for you to do it with me. So please get that paper and pencil, or else print it off and get your paper and print it, and we're ready to go. This is going to be Y, acting as a vowel, saying I. The first word is cry. K is a C. I told you this is going to go fast today. R. Cry. Hear I. Do we want an I? No, we want a Y. Lowercase, it has a tail. Cry. C-R-Y. Next we want the word fly. Fly. See, they're flying. All right. Fly. 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 F. L, fly. Hear the I? What do we want? A Y. Good job. The Y. F-L-Y, fly. Cry, fly. I want the word my. My. M. My. Hear I? Do we want an I? No. We want a Y. M-Y says my. I want the word try. Can you try and help me write this word, please? Try. A T. R. Try. Hear the I? Do you want an I? No. What do we want? A Y. Good job. Good job. Lowercase has a tail. T-R-Y, try. Next word we're going to write is the question word, why, why. And we know whenever we hear the W, we want to say the word 3 times. Why, why, why. Do you feel it blowing? What do we need? W-H. W-H. Y, hear I? Is it an I? No, it's a Y. Oh, you're wonderful. Absolutely wonderful the way you remember all of this. The last word today is the word by. By. B, the bat and the ball. By, hear the I? Yep. What is it? a Y. All right, B-Y, Y. Can you please read these words to me? Cry, fly, my, try, why, buy. Whoo, are you great? I'm going to jump all over the page pointing to the words, see if you can read them that way. I'll go not real fast in the beginning. Let's see how we can do it, okay? See how you do. Try, cry, my, buy, fly, why, cry, buy, fly, my, try, why. You practice that at home, okay? You practice doing that. You be the teacher. Get this from a hanger. Remember, you can use this as your pointer, all right? And you practice doing it and see how good you can do it. Maybe you can teach it to your dog or to a stuffed animal, right? That's the vowel Y saying I. Wow, are you great. Now, we're going to do a sentence. The next thing we're going to do together is going to be a sentence. Okay, you can either do it now or wait and do it another day. All right, with this sheet here, it has, all right. So, I'm going to now say bye for now, but please come back and do your sentence with me. See you later. Bye.